Good morning, Current IQ. Current affairs are not just news, they are foundations of success in the competitive examination. Every student sitting in this classroom has a dream of securing a government job in 2026. Whether your goal is banking, railway, UPSC, SSC, other public service commission. Remember, the candidate who achieve the goals are not always the most talented. They are the most consistent. Spending a few minutes every day learning current affairs will improve your knowledge, confidence, exam performance. Each news article you read today bring you one step closer to dream job. Let's start. ICC suspend the Cricket Canada membership over the governance breaches. ICC suspend the Cricket Canada with the immediate effect due to serious breaches of its membership obligation linked to governance issue. It is headquartered in Dubai in United Arab Emirates. President is Jai Shah. Meesho and Bombay Stock Exchange launched the project Sikar. Who launched the Sikar project? Meesho and Bombay Stock Exchange. It will be help MSME access to equity capital for growth, enhance the credibility and governance, better visibility and brand recognition, support building and investor confidence. Indian student win the Earth Prize for 2026. Innovation Plastics. Who are the three Indians? Vihan Chauharia, Ariana Agarwal, Avayana Mehta. They are three are 16 years old. Micro Microplastic are tiny plastic particle found in water, harm human health and aquatic life. President approved the appointment of 5 new Supreme Court judges. It is a standard of judicial ensuring the faster delivery of the justice. Who are there? Prashant Kumar Mishra, Justice Mohan, Justice N.B. Anjaria, Justice Vijay Bishnoi, Justice K.V. Vishwanath. Telangana Formation Day, 2nd June. Statehood movement, it was started 1969. Telangana became the 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. India and Myanmar deepen the strategic partnership. President Ming Aung Hlaing of Myanmar visit to India reaffirmed their commitment to strengthen the bilateral ties, enhance strategic cooperation. Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu farmer honored as a UNFAO Soil Farmer Hero for sustainable farming success. Food and Agriculture Organizations of the United Nations transformed 11 hectares of loss-making coconut farm into multi-crop tree-based farming system. That's why farmer name is Valuvan from Polachi, Tamil Nadu. Soil Farmer Hero. Who got the Soil Farmer Hero? Valuvan, UNFAO Soil Farmer Hero. World No Tobacco Day, 31 May. What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day? Unmasking the appeal. Unmasking the appeal. Oh, simply remember this theme. Unmasking. Unmasking the appeal. Countering the nicotine and tobacco addiction. Tobacco kills more than 8 million people every year. Nicotines are highly addictive, harm brain development. It causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, and more. Harm not users and communities. Bhavita Mandava, Channel Indian Ambassador, makes a 430 under 30 Asia's list. Super important questions. Suman Kalyanpur, she dies. She dies at 89. She is related to what? She is a legendary playback singer. She got Padma Bhushan award also in the 2023. Very important. In the exam like this, they will ask. Suman Kalyanpuri, she is a playback singer. When she got the Padma Bhushan award 2022, 23, 24, 25, like this they ask. Answer is 2023. Satvik Reddy and Chirag Shetty won the Singapore Open title against Indonesia. World Milk Day, June 1. What is the theme? Celebrating the women farmer. What is the theme? Celebrating the women farmer, honoring the strength, dedication, and invaluable contributions of the women in dairy farming and rural communities. Global Global Parents Day, June 1. What is the theme? Parenting with love, building sustainable future. Admira- Admiral Krishna Swaminathan takes charge of 27th Chief of Naval Staff. Super important questions. GST revenue GST revenue hits 1.9 lakh rupees in 2026 in May. UPI hits record high in 29.90 trillion. Presently, UPI using in the country UAE, France, Singapore, Indonesia, Nepal, Bhutan, and Mauritius, Indonesia. Very, very important. India sends emergency medical aid to Africa due to Ebola. Ebola is a rare but severe harmonic fever. The current outbreak has affected in several African countries. Western Naval Command Vice Admiral Sanjay Vastayan, flag officer of in chief, taking charge.